Welcome to TinkerSpace. Now let's do car theft detection. Here we use IR proximity sensor as input. Here we use a buzzer as output. This is TinkerSpace Brain Board, connecting wires and battery. Now let's connect the components. IR proximity sensor is connected to the input 1 of the TinkerSpace Brain Board, and the buzzer is connected to the output 1 of the TinkerSpace Brain Board. Connection is done. Now let's do the coding.
Now let's do the coding. Open the TinkerSpace app. Now choose your Tinker board. I will select Brain Board. Now click on Create New Project and type your project name. After typing your project name, click on Save New Project. Here, the design space has been opened. Now, as per the hardware connection, I will add the input and output devices. Here I added IR proximity sensor as input 1, and in output 1 I added buzzer. Now go to the menu and click on Save. The generated design has been saved successfully. Now go to the menu and click on Go to Code Space. The code space has been opened. Now click on Add or Edit Input Condition. Select Hardware Input Condition. First input only, click on Select this condition. In the input 1 sensor off, in buzzer, I will select A on or off, and the tone I will keep in 100%. Now click on Save Settings. In the input 1 sensor on, in the buzzer, I will select Do Nothing. Click on Save Settings. Now, in the car theft detection project, input 1 sensor off means the IR proximity sensor is not detecting any presence of an object, and the object here is the car. In the input 1 sensor on means the IR proximity sensor is detecting the presence of the car. Now, when a thief tries to steal the car from its place, then the buzzer will turn on, because the IR proximity sensor will not gonna detect the presence of a car. So in that case, we kept the buzzer in 100%. So it will buzzer, indicating the household people that the car is being stolen. Now, even if the thief tries to put the car on its original place, in that case, the buzzer will keep on turn off, because when the IR proximity sensor will detect the presence of a car, then the buzzer will not gonna turn off, because we kept the condition in Do Nothing. If we kept it in on or off 0, on that condition the buzzer will turn off. So here the buzzer will keep on turn on until the owner will reset the code. So like this, the car theft detection project's coding works. After generating the code, click on Save Code. The generated code has been saved successfully. Now go to the menu and click on Upload Code. Here you have two options. First one, USB upload. Second one, Wi-Fi upload. Now enter your device ID. Now I will enter my device ID. My device ID is TinkerSpace125. So now I will enter my device ID. My device ID I have entered. Now I will click on Wi-Fi upload. To upload the code, follow these 3 steps. Step number 1, turn on mobile hotspot. So set your hotspot name to tinkerspace.in and the password is tinkers123. Step number 2, click on flash or code switch of your Tinker board about 4 to 5 seconds, and your board will be automatically connected to this hotspot. Now step number 3, click on Search My Device button. Now your device is searching and the device is connected. Now click on Upload Code. Now the generated code is going to the server, and now it is uploading to the TinkerSpace Brain Board. The generated code has been successfully uploaded to the TinkerSpace Brain Board. Here we finished our coding part. Now let's do the hardware part.
We have uploaded the code. Now let's test our project. We have tested our project. Now let's implement this in our model. Here we finished the model of our project. Here we have connected the IR proximity sensor, buzzer, and TinkerSpace Brain Board. Now I'll show the demo. When the thief tries to steal the car, the buzzer will give us the alert.
Hope you enjoyed this project. Download our TinkerSpace app where you can find more model ideas suitable for this project. Do you like gifts? We have some giveaways waiting for you. Just follow the next steps to claim your Tinker gift. Open TinkerSpace app and create this project code as per the tutorial. Then share this code to me by clicking the button Share to Teacher. Here you have to enter your name, school, class, phone number and click Send. We will go through code of each student and we will pick 25 students per month who will receive our giveaway TinkerSpace project. Why waiting? Do this project code and grab your kit for free. Thank you and stay connected.